Hello students, friends, aspirants, whatever maybe you are. Today I am going to discuss about quadratic equation, which is a most important chapter for CBSE students, that is KVS, NVS, OMS and the teacher recruitment post for a OMS and for OSSTET, OTT, etc. This video will be very interesting for you. So let's start this video only in Digital Learning Portal. So friends, today's topic is quadratic equation. What is the meaning of a quadratic equation? That means the equation having power second order or square of unknown quantity or variables. Before understanding about quadratic equation, first of all we must have knowledge about constants and variable used in the equation. Here we can define as its value unchanged or remain same irrespective of any equation. Then we'll read about variables, and this is variable, its value changed depending upon the equations. That means see, for the different equations we have different values. So these terms are called variables. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. This is called general form of a quadratic equation, where x is a variable, x is called variable, and we can write where a is the coefficient of x square, and b is the coefficient of x, and c is known as a what? C is known as a constant. For particular exam we can understand what is the value for a, b and c. Here this example is a quadratic equation. Why? Because the equation have second power 2. So here we have to identify a, b and c. What is the value for a? A means the coefficient of x square, so that will be 5. And what is the value of b? B is the coefficient of x, that is 7. And what is the c? C is the 9. And in this equation we can write what are the values of a, b and c. Here you can write value for a is equal to 7 and b is equal to coefficient of x, that will be minus of 3, and c is equal to minus of 1. And this question for you, yes, this question for you, that is your HW. You can, that is the minus of 3x square plus 12x minus 10 is equal to 0, and you have to calculate or find what are the values of a, b and c. And here we have to check the equations are quadratic or not. So this is the example. Here this expression we have to prove that this equation is quadratic or not. First of all we can write x minus 2 whole square as a x square plus 4 minus 4x. Why? Because this expression is in the form a minus b whole square, that will be x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this will be plus 1 is equal to 2xa minus 3. And we can write x square minus 4xa, this will be plus 4 plus 1, that will be 5, and minus 2xa plus 2xa can be write minus 2xa, and minus 3 can be write plus 3, that is equal to 0. So it will be x square minus 4x minus 2x, that will be minus 6x, plus 5 plus 3, that will be minus 80. So here this expression is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. And next expression we have to check whether this equation is in quadratic form or not. The question is x whole into x plus 1 plus 80 is equal to x plus 2 whole into x minus 2. So first of all we multiply this expression by using distributive law. So that will be x square plus x plus 80 is equal to x square and x into minus 2, that will be minus 2x, 2 into x, that will be plus 2x, 2 into minus 2, that will be minus 4. So this can be cancelled. So here we can write x square plus x plus 80. So this will be minus x square and this will be plus 4 is equal to 0. Here x square minus x square cancel. We have a x plus 12 is equal to 0. Here it is not in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is not a quadratic equation. I am sure you can solve your first exercise, which have a number of questions in this type. So you can check whether the equations are in quadratic form or not. Now we will read solution of a quadratic equation. Generally, to solve this quadratic equation, we have three methods, such as one is by factorization method, by completing the square, third one is by quadratic formula. And we will discuss about solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. Solution of a quadratic equation. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where we have a is not equal to 0. And its solution is equal to, its solution can be written as is equal to x is equal to alpha. This is the root of the quadratic equation. This is the root of a quadratic equation. As it has a second power, and for a quadratic equation it has a solution is equal to 2. That is, there are two solutions for a quadratic equation. One is the x is equal to alpha, another one is the x is equal to beta. This is the solution for quadratic equation. And now let's solve an example. Find the root of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 by the method of factorization. Now we can write the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here this middle term, that is minus 5x, we have to split this term into two terms. So as we have its multiplication 6x square and addition will be minus 5x. So you can write 2x square minus 2x minus 3x. That means minus 5x can be written as minus 2x minus 3x. Plus 3 is equal to 0. And we come on 2x, what will be x minus 1, and this two term we can come on minus 3. So you can write it within the bracket x minus 1, that is equal to 0. So here 2x minus 3 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. We can write 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1, and here we can write x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1. Here alpha is equal to 3 by 2 and beta is equal to 1. This is the solution or roots for the equation 2x square minus 5xi plus 3 by the method of factorization. Now we will read solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. We will use this formula as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and we have to convert our quadratic equation in the form of xa plus alpha square is equal to c square, or xa minus alpha square is equal to c square. Then we can solve this quadratic equation. Now take an example to understand. This is a question. Find the roots of the equation 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 by completing the square. Here in this question we write the equation as minus 5x square minus 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0, and we have to convert as here this middle term has a negative sign, so we have to convert it as a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. First of all, we have to divide the coefficient of x square, that is 5e, and this, and we will repeat this for each term. Now I divide 5x square divided by 5 minus 6x divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0. Now we can write x square minus 6x by 5, and this term will be minus 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Now we convert et in the form of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we can write x square minus 2ab. What is the value for a? X. Now it will be minus 2x, and here we have a minus 6x, so we have to put to 3 and divide by 5. Here in this term we have to put the value of b so as to make 2ab, which must be equal to minus 6x by 5. So we have found 3 by 5 as b, that is equal to 2 by 5, and we can write x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 5. Here this is the value of b, and here a square minus 2ab plus b square, so we can write 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 2 by 5b plus 3 by 5 whole square. Again I repeat, here the value of 3 by 5 as we take the value of b, so here we add the value of b on both the sides. 3 by 5 whole square of 3 by 5 and square of 3 by 5. Here in this expression, this can be written as a x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 square of 3 is equal to 9, and here we can write 5 square is equal to 25. Here we can write here LCM is equal to 25, and this will be 5 into 10 plus 9, that is equal to 19 divided by 5. Here x minus 3 by 5 will be, here we have square, so that will be square root here, so its answer will be plus minus of 19 root of 19 divided by 5. So x will be plus minus root over 19 divided by 5e, this will be plus 3 by 5. and we can write 19 root over 19 plus divided by 5p plus 3 by 5p, or x is equal to minus root over 19 divided by 5p plus 3 by 5, and this will be 5p root over 19 plus 3, and this will be 5p minus 9 root over 19 plus 3. This is the alpha and this is the beta. So this is all about your solution of a quadratic equation by completing square. Here we can say from the top, you may take screenshot to understand. So how is my video? Please like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.